Good morning, traders. Welcome to this week's Market Insights video on FXMajors. I'm going to talk about Aussie dollar because it's falling after the RBA meetings revealed that the RBA is ready to actually lower interest rates for a longer period of time just to support their inflation and employment mandate. Pound is also falling against the dollar. Mr. Johnson went empty-handed in Brussels. Brussels now really considers whether they should give him another chance for an extension or not, because they don't seem to really do anything to save the situation, you know. And Euro on the other side, we had the ECB's Lane speech yesterday, the member. He was pretty dovish, saying that inflation is falling. Things are not going well according to the ECB's goals. So all of those are going down. And of course, we expect the FOMC decision, the Bank of England, as well the Bank of Japan this week. So a very, very critical week for the economic and monetary environment. On the calendar today, we are expecting the very, very important geoeconomic sentiment indicator from Germany, manufacturing sales in Canada, Fed industrial production, GDP, dairy products pretty much in New Zealand, and then some members, ECB members again, Lane and Core speech later in the evening. I want to get started with Aussie dollar. I've actually got this opportunity as a trading idea yesterday on TradingView. You can go ahead and have a look if you would like. We see this as an ending three-wave, wave 4, and then we expect for wave 5 to complete these minor wave 5 actually, and then start looking for prices to go up. The potential to the downside could see prices, could see prices going down to 66, if not, oh, there we go, yeah, around 66. So that will be the duplication of wave 1. This move, WXY, is just a pattern that is corrective. It's ended near the 61.8 extension of this last move, ABC, right? Which means now we could really see prices, okay? We could really see prices start moving lower. We want to see the break below the 61.8 to somewhat validate that actually bears are stronger than bulls, okay? And we have very good signals both on the MACD and RSI, and that is supportive for the idea, for the bearish idea pretty much. So let's go on the pound quickly. Pound is moving exactly as we expected. What I did, actually, I've changed to compared to last time, okay? I changed the correction to up here. Originally, I thought, oh, hold on, there we go. Originally, I thought that prices would just come here and then ABC, but now it seems like that we completed an A wave only. We are going to see wave B near the 5061, and then wave C. Of course, that might not be the case. We might indeed have only an ABC with a very minor pullback to complete wave B, and which means that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 up here, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, or a wave C that looks like a bit more of an just a sharp impulse to the upside. And from here is where we can start seeing that, you know, the rejection comes through, which is the ascending, I would say, trend line that goes back years actually looks like it. So it's a good level to that will need a lot of push from the bulls to break. Okay. Now on the euro dollar, 1 second, let's just get that out the way quickly. Yeah, and euro dollar had an amazing run the other day, right? Did it. Still, this is, as I see, the ending triangle here with wave C, and I start to believe now we'll start seeing prices reversing, okay? We are at the 61.8 extension, Fibonacci retracement after wave 1 and 2. This is considered as a false break. Of course, prices moved back in, but now what we want to see actually is we want to see a really nice impulsive move to the upside motive, and then a correction, and then all the way up again to reach even 114 or so. That is still in play. RSI and MACD, so no signs of bearish or bullish move. There is some sort of bearish bias here, but we have already seen that move coming through anyway with this correction. So from here, pay attention to whether this 1.10 or so really holds prices. If it does, we could see prices breaking to fresh highs. So this is all for the day. 3 majors, very important to look at. Of course, there is also the dollar yen to look tomorrow and everything else to look pretty much tomorrow, because we'll have the FOMC decision, very critical for global economies. Thank you. And as a reminder, again, don't forget to visit our blog. It's where we cover the latest headlines, trading ideas, and also provide all the necessary tools traders need.